Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing fine. Here I'm again with one more interesting video of the market analysis for the coming week. Yeah, if you can see, I think SGX was down more than 100 points on Friday. The view is that even though there might be a big correction, again that correction will be bought into because we are in a bull market. So whatever there will be quick. It's because we are in bull market. I think the market tends to cash in this momentum which is happening in the market. So if you're going by Nifty, I think Nifty seems to be making a big red candle at the right at the resistance here. If you see, I think there are multiple supports for Nifty at 17,420, and then we have one more support here at 17,240. So going by the trend and the bullishness and the momentum, I think Nifty will still be a good bet to buy. There might be a retracement here and there, but on a positional front, I think Nifty is looking really good. Yeah, I think maybe by September end or by October, I think we should be touching upon 18,000. So similarly, Bank Nifty, I think most people who are waiting for the breakout in Bank Nifty because it's a long time pending. So it has given a breakout on Friday and then it briefly has retraced back. So it has made a high of 38,300 on the futures, I think, and spot it's 38,170. So hopefully I think tomorrow I think we might conquer 38,000 once again. But I mean we have multiple supports again, that 37,750, and then we have support at 37,000. Though we might fall 200 points or 100 points or 300 points, which seems to be the case because the SGX is trading down on Friday closing. So if at all there is a gap down, I think I'm sure I think it will be bought into. We might achieve new higher levels on Bank Nifty as well, which will in fact help Nifty to move up as well. So let's look at some of the stocks which are doing good for the next week. But if you see, I think Maruti, I think we have given a buy on Maruti on a as a positional buy. And if you see, I think there is a trend line break somewhere here. We can expect Maruti to bounce at least to 7350 levels as a first target, and then 7700 as a second target because it has taken multiple supports. Similarly, I think Motherson Sumi, I think there was a good breakout which happened on 13 September, and then continuously it moved up 3 days, and then after that there was a little profit booking which happened because we were approaching a trend line. And if you see on a daily time frame chart, I think it looks it's resembling a cup pattern. So wherein you have this as a long and then you have this as a handle. So on the break of this trend line, which is seems to be at 235, I think we can achieve a target of 270. So similarly is the case with Eicher Motors. So if you see Eicher Motors, so we can expect a minimum target of 3,000. If even 3,000 is broken, I think we can expect a targets of 3,350. On a downside, I think I see very limited downside because this trend line can be acting as a support. So I would say even 2,800 can be acting as a very good support. So then comes UBL. So UBL, I think it's been trading in a range. If you can see this, I mean, this is a daily chart. So on Monday, if there is a gap up, we can try breaking out 1625 levels for a minimum target of 1650 to 1660. Or else, if at all there is a gap down, I think it can take support on this trend line or even at this level and then bounce back. But if 1675, 1575 is broken, I think then that's when you can short. So that's all, guys. For now, I think these are the stocks which we are looking at. Primarily, I think auto index is looking very good, along with Bank Nifty too. If you like this video, please share it to as many people as you can. Thank you.